English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 1.
You can use formal or informal English to introduce yourself and greet colleagues or coworkers, depending on the situation and the people you are meeting.
Good morning. My name is Alicia Sharma.
Hello, Alicia. My name's Tom Robinson. Hi, I'm Lee.
Hi, Lee. I'm Jana. I'm Sally James.
It's good to meet you, Sally.
Hello. My name's Carla.
Pleased to meet you.
My name is Siddiq Ali.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Ali.
Great to meet you.
You too.
It's good to meet you. Hello. My name's Sebastian. Good afternoon. My name is Joe Carr. Hi, Marie. I'm Clive. It's great to meet you too, Sven. It's a pleasure to meet you.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Hello. I'm here to collect my security pass.
Could I take your name, please?
It's George Benson.
Is that George?
Yes, it is. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name's Katie Lewis.
Good afternoon, Katie. I'll just print off your name badge for you. Is that Katie or Katy?
It's Katy. Thank you.
Could I arrange a security pass for Frances Smith, please? Frances is starting with us next week.
Of course. How do you spell Frances?
Francis.
Hi, I'm Lorna.
Hi, Laura. I'm Ben. It's nice to meet you.
Oh, sorry. My name's Lorna. That's Lorna.
Could you check over this email to Zandra before I send it?
Yes, of course. Oh, you've misspelled her name. It's Zandra.
So, we've got Boris Yates coming in for an interview today.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch the name. Was it Doris or Boris?
Boris. B-O-R-I-S.
May I introduce Maria Diaz? Maria is our sales manager for Europe.
It's good to meet you, Maria.
It's a pleasure to meet you too. Amit, meet Edward. Edward, Amit and I work together.
Great to meet you, Edward.
I'd like you to meet Zoe Carr.
It's nice to meet you, Ms. Carr.
This is my new assistant, Levi.
Hi, Levi. Good to meet you.
Hello, Sam. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. Hi, I'm Adedio. Hi, my name's Adedio. Great to meet you. This is my new colleague, Martin. Marissa, meet Rula, my partner. It's good to meet you, Catherine. May I introduce Claudia Gomez, our new CEO.
Hello, Mr. Singh. I'm Jill Green, and I'm the new finance manager at Spandone & Co.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Ms. Sorry, what was your last name again?
Green. That's Greene. It's nice to meet you too, Mr. Singh. I know that you have worked with our company for many years. Is it 15 years?
Not quite. 14. But still, it's a few years.
My colleagues here say that you are an excellent accountant, so I look forward to working with you.
Thank you, Jill. Ah, here is Daniel.
Hello, Mr. Singh. It's good to see you again. How is the family?
We're all very well, thank you.
That's great. Right. Shall we start?
May I introduce Marta Lopez? Marta and I work together. Hello, Mr. Lucas. It's a pleasure to meet you. Ashley, meet Andre. Andre and I work on the same project. Hello, Sophie. My name's Rachel Davies. Great to meet you. This is my colleague Hayley. We went to college together. May I introduce Marta Lopez? Marta and I work together. Hello, Mr. Lucas. It's a pleasure to meet you. Ashley, meet Andre. Andre and I work on the same project. Hello, Sophie. My name's Rachel Davies. Great to meet you. This is my colleague Hayley. We went to college together. It's good to meet you, Corrie. My name's Angel. Hello, James. It's really nice to meet you. My name's Alex.
End of Lesson 1.